Glastonbury Public Schools is in its third year of our 6th generation strategic plan. It's anchored by 3 core tenets: active learning, inclusive environments, and student well-being. Technology lives in each of those areas. How do we ensure that we are preparing our students to be contributing citizens in a world that is constantly evolving with technology at the forefront while prioritizing their well-being? We had to give thought to whether or not a shift also required a change in device.
What Kate is really speaking about is tablet versus laptop. My philosophy has always been that curriculum and instruction drives technology. And all of our decisions are really made around that philosophy. Moving to a laptop form factor, we feel that would get us better prepared for post-secondary education. We've been spending the last several months exploring that. How do we roll out the Chromebooks versus the iPads? How do we set up the Chromebooks? How do we manage the Chromebooks? Turning to professionals such as Trafera that already are familiar with the tools and have them help us understand what it is that we need to do. And we felt the Lenovo 100E Chromebook was going to hold up the best for the price point that they were offering.
So when we were thinking about this shift and what tool met our needs, we knew that we needed to find a partner that would support a large-scale transition that would not only provide us with, the scalability of moving from iPads to Chromebooks, but also could provide an arm for professional learning and support. We found that Trafera understood that any type of device transition like this needs to be anchored in teaching and learning. As we met with our partners at Trafera, I was very forthcoming about ensuring that our values were maintained throughout the entire process, from selecting the device to designing our rollout to customizing training sessions so that every step of the way our teachers were feeling a sense of responsiveness in their learning to their needs, and something that was directly aligned with Glastonbury Public Schools.